So we have three methods to apply a values to a DUT. We could get an access of the DUT IO handle and then apply the value, or we could directly use the value property, or we could use direct assignment operator. This is obsolete. So hence it is not recommended to use this. You could proceed with any of this. Value property is used by almost all the verification engineers because it is much simpler as compared to first getting an access of an handle and then using a value property. Now remember, this is eligible in general for all the input port. Input port itself could be of different type. It could be a global input ports, that is clock or reset, or it could be a data port which consists of data and control signal. So we'll understand in detail how we generate the clock signal utilizing a value property, how we generate the reset signal using a value property, and how we generate data and control signal using a value property as we progress further. So let us go ahead and first try to cover how we apply values to the duty. To understand how we apply values to a duty, let us assume simple 4-bit adder. So we go ahead, we change our name to adder. As soon as we change our name of top module to adder, go ahead to a make file and change the top level name to the name that you have given to your design. Then our adder will have two input port of size 4-bit. The direction will be input 3 down to 0 and two ports will be, let us assume, A and B. We will have a single output port which will be consisting of both sum output as well as carry output. Hence size will be 1 greater than the input port size, which is 4 down to 0, and we'll name this as sum. Now we proceed and use continuous assignment operator to assign the value to a sum. So sum will be equals to A plus B. This is our design code, which consists of two input port of size 4-bit, output of size 5-bit. This will include carry out, and the expression for sum will be A plus B. Now for this design, we wish to generate the random values for A and B utilizing all the three methods that we have.